In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Very good morning to the Honorable Chief Guest of the day, respected Principal Sir, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Everyone presented here knows the reason to get together in such a big crowd. Independence Day is celebrated every year on 15 August. We all are celebrate Independence Day with great joy and enthusiasm every year. First, we hoist our national flag, then give a salute and sing a national anthem song. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August because India got freedom on the night of 14 August in 1947. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru had given a speech on Independence Day in New Delhi. Just after India got freedom, when the people of all the world were sleeping, people in India were struggling and were working to get freedom and life from British rule. Now after independence, India has become the most largest democratic country in the world and the best example of unity in diversity. My dear brothers, in past years, our great Indian leader had given sacrifices with the courage in the heart to give us a free and peaceful country by sacrificing their comfort of life. We can never forget the sacrifices of our great Indian leaders like Shah Waliullah Muhaddis Delhi, who was the first person who apprehended the danger and chalked out a plan of complete revolution. Shah Abdul Aziz, who was observing the situation very carefully and issued a fatwa saying that India turned into Darul Harb, means non-Muslim country. Muslims must wage wars against the British, but ground was not prepared to start any revolutionary movement. So Sayyid Ahmad Shahid was the first person who began the war, and Maulana Muhammad Qasim Nanodwi and his colleagues who established Darul Ulum in Deoband to produce a team of ulama who could fight eyeball to eyeball with British government. Then our great Indian leaders elected Gandhiji as a leader. Since Hindus were in majority, so it was necessary to win their favor out the British. And Maulana Abul Kalam Azad was the hero of India's independence. We should always ready to save our nation by bad people, and we should take an oath today of being highly responsible and well-educated citizens of the tomorrow India. I wind up my talk with this Urdu couplet. ये मुल्क हमेशा खुदादाद रहेगा, ये मुल्क हमेशा खुदादाद रहेगा, आज़ाद था, आज़ाद है, आज़ाद रहेगा.